Hey, so if you're watching this video, perhaps you already clicked on the freebie that I left on my Substack. If not, then check the description where I left the post. Give it a look. And in this video, I'll teach you how to use the freebie on my Google Sheets template that I created for you. So first of all, make a copy out of it. That means someone uses the template. So in the top left corner in the file section, you can make yourself a copy and use it on your own drive unit. So without further ado, check this walkthrough. All right, so basically this will be a quick walkthrough of the freebie that I'm giving to you on the Substack. So if you have not checked the post already, I'm going to put it in the description. And if in any case, let's get into it. So once you get into the freebie, this one in here, the first thing you got to keep in mind is that don't use this template. This is for basically for public use, so don't touch it. I'm just going to go and hit reverse in here. What you need to do is to go to File, and you need to make yourself a copy. So once you open this thing here, select Make a Copy, and this will render straight to your Google Drive folder. So with that set, let's say you got your copy set for you. I'm going to be first working on this corner. This will be for my native language. I speak Spanish, so I'm going to be living this in Spanish. So I'm going to be, for example, setting the word bebida. Bebida, that's drink in Spanish. So I'm going to be typing bebida. And once I hit enter, you'll notice that this will go automatically into Catalan, which is one of my target languages. So what I'm doing in here is that I'm adding a formula in here. So the formula goes like this: equals Google Translate parentheses, and you can put A3, A3 being this one in here. And I'm gonna put a comma, then add this apostrophe in here, and or quotation in this case, sorry. And I'm gonna be setting the target language, which is Spanish, this one in here. And I'm gonna be adding a comma, another quotation, so add the quotation marks, and in between, add again the word CA. In my case, Catalan, that the language code is CA. If you want to see the other language codes, you're gonna go to the link that is right up in here. You can select it, and once you open it, you'll notice that there's a whole library of native and target languages. So in my case, Spanish is the one that applies. So I'm gonna go in here and look it up. It should say here ES or ES, and then I'm gonna be selecting Catalan. I'm gonna be searching again here my target language, Catalan, and I'm gonna be noticing that it's CA. You can do the same across your native and target languages, just adjust as you would. And then you can do the same thing in here. You can literally copy the, the, the formula in here, and you can start making the adjustments. So you can change anything that might be applying in here. And for example, I could go for French, and this will go. You can render it as you please. So with that said, that's pretty much what you need to do. The good thing about this is that it'll automatically do it for you. You just have to input. So as you're going through your day, if you have a word that you want to remember, just keep recording the words, and it'll automatically render it for you in your target languages, or if you have multiple target languages, you can actually keep adding them in the other one. It's very efficient. You can actually keep it on your phone. It's very pocket friendly. So yeah, I hope this becomes helpful for you. And with that said, thank you for your time. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give it a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.